So let's see how to water wash TVS iQube. So it's kind of dirty, so let's clean it up. Take a clean cloth and start wiping all the way. I have not used any water near the display. There are many gaps in the fairing, so make sure the water don't enter into the gaps and makes trouble with the electronics. So that's the reason TVS recommends not to use a pressure washer. This is a side stand sensor here, so don't use too much of water, that will spoil the sensors. And also there's a light here, so don't use pressure washer here. So basically this vehicle is not equipped to use a pressure washer. That will spoil every part of this scooter's electronic. So we advise to use only normal pressure water or tap water to clean, or dip and clean. It is capable to manage the rain but not any pressurized water. Use a microfiber cloth to clean all the way. So this is how you wash your TVS iQube. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.